To enable the color inversion feature from the quick panel on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first you have to add the color inversion icon to the quick panel. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen by using two fingers to open up the quick panel. Tap the pencil icon at the top right. Tap Edit button below the full quick panel thumbnail. Under Available Button section, tap Color Inversion to add it to your quick panel. Tap Done button to save the change. Once done, open the quick panel by swiping down the top of the screen by using two fingers. Find the color inversion icon. And then you can tap this icon to quickly enable or disable the color inversion feature. When the color inversion feature is on, your phone will reverse the colors on your screen so that light colors will appear dark and the dark color will appear light. As a note, this feature will be applied to all apps, including media. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.